So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can digitally enhance old or low resolution photos online using AI. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the web browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for Vance AI. Let me just spell it correctly. It's vanceai.com. You can see the spelling. If I pronounce it wrong, just simply go to this website. Now wait for it to respond. Now here just simply all you need to do is just simply download this software, this little software that it provides, and it's totally free. Or you can just simply hit start download and it will directly uh, download it to your system. You need to install it. Just simply upload your profile or your picture that you want to enhance, and it will automatically do it using AI. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.